Hello everyone. So today we'll be dealing with five Silox and five blood relations questions of previous snaps. Okay. And I asked that if anyone has a doubt can send me, but no one did send. So I'll be dealing with only past snap questions. Okay. So let us start with the Silox one. So question one is some A's are B's and some B's are C's. Okay. So let us only draw the thing which we are sure. Okay. So some A's and B, and although you can draw it like this. Okay. So some B's are C's. Okay. So you can draw it like this, and as I told you, shade this because this region we aren't sure of. Okay. These things come into play when in the conclusion there is some A might be C, some A being C is a possibility. These types of word come, then this shaded region comes into play and this can be considered. Okay. But right now, as I can see the conclusion, it isn't there. Okay. So let us check. So conclusion one is some A's are C's. This region is shaded. Okay. And shade means dubious. We are dubious of that. Okay. We aren't sure of that. So some ARC is not maybe possible, not be possible. So we'll cross this. Now next one, all C's are A. Again, all C's are A. No, not we aren't sure, not possible. Okay, so both are wrong. So answer to this question is option D. Neither one nor two follows. Okay, question number two. Question number one. Okay, uh, all samosas are jalebis. All samosas are jalebis. Okay, all jalebi are tikki. All jalebi are tikki. All tikki are barfi. Okay, all tikki are barfi. Now let us work conclusion. Let us see conclusion. 1 2 3 4 3 4. Okay, all jalebis are barfis. This is absolutely correct. Okay, option 1 is absolutely correct. Okay, all tikkis are samosas. This may be or may not be correct. We aren't sure of this. Okay, all tikkis are samosas. Okay, no, all samosas are barfis. All samosas, yes, this is correct. You can see that this samosa is completely inside barfi. Okay, max this can be what there. Other case can only possibility is that there is a one circle and all are SGTB. Okay, so this is max it can be. Okay, but we are sure that all samosas are jalebis. So conclusion 3 is correct. Now all barfi are jalebi. So all barfi are jalebi. No, this is not as such. So only conclusion 1 and conclusion 3 follows. So answer to this question is option B. Okay. Question number 2. Next one. Now, question below 1 to 2 conclusion. Okay. Now, some toys are pens. Some toys are pens. Some pens are papers. Again, we'll do it like this. Okay, let us write PN over here and PP over here. Okay, and we'll shade this region. We aren't sure. Okay. Now, some papers are black. Okay, some papers are black. Okay, and you can shade this, draw it like this, and they shade this complete region. Okay. Apart from paper, completely shade all the region. Okay, because this intersection we are sure, this intersection we are sure of, whereas all of the others are we aren't sure. Okay, now let us look at the conclusions. 1 2 3 4. Some toys are blacks, so toys and black, this region, this is shaded region, we aren't sure. Okay, put across. No pen is a black, no pen is a black, we aren't sure, cross. No toy is a black, we aren't sure. Okay, some toys are black. Now look at the link between the conclusions. Okay, now it has to be either some toys are black or no toy is black. Okay, so either 1 or 3 will be correct for sure. Look at the conclusion carefully. Okay, some toys are black, no toy is black. Okay, so either 1 or 3 will be correct for sure, we know. Okay, although individually they are all wrong. Okay, now last one, some pens are blacks, some pens are blacks, some blacks, some papers are black, some pens are black. Again, this is that region and that is shaded, so we aren't sure. Okay, now look at option 2 and 4. No pen is black, some pen is black. Again, individually they are wrong, no doubt. Okay, but when we consider them in pairs, because we have the conclusion in pairs, so 2 or 4 either will be correct for sure. Okay, so 1 or 3 or 2 or 4. Okay, now you have to check upon options in such cases. Now none follows, it can be correct either 1 or 3, either 2 or 4. Okay, but see this 1 or 3, I have already shown how the pair is being, like it will be or either it will not be. Okay, so either of the case has to follow. Okay, so for that reason either 1 or 3 or 2 or 4. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Question number 4. This is question number 3. Okay, all butterflies are bulbs. Okay, all butterflies, BF butterflies, all sorry, all are bulb. No, all butterflies are bulbs. Some bulbs. Sorry, yaar, why am I reading the conclusion? Let us read the statement. Okay. All bulbs are birds. Okay, so bulbs are birds. Some birds are butterflies. Okay, so we can do it like this. Some bulbs BL are butterflies. Some birds. All bulbs are birds. Some birds are butterflies. All bulbs are birds. Some birds are butterflies. Okay. Now, are we sure of this region? No, we aren't sure. So shade this. Okay, because we know that we don't know that bulbs are butterflies or not. So we'll shade this region. Okay. Now let us read the conclusion. All butterflies are bulbs. All butterflies are bulbs. No, it need not be. Some bulbs are butterflies. Some bulbs are butterflies. Again, you can see the pair in option 1 and 2. Either all bulbs will be butterflies or some bulbs will be butterflies, right? So either will be correct. So either 1 or 2. So option number C is the answer to this question. This was a good one. Last one. Last Silok question. Then we'll deal with blood relation. Okay. No coin is a dollar. Okay. So coin, dollar. Coin, dollar. Red token is a coin. Okay, red token is a coin. So is a coin means it is a subset. Okay, so R. Now 1 2. Red token is not a dollar. This is absolutely correct. Red token may not be a dollar. Okay, how will it be may not be? Okay, it is for sure not a dollar. Na? Red coin is for sure not a dollar. So 2 option is wrong. It is written may not be. Why may not be? We are sure of that it won't be. Okay, so 2 is wrong. So which means that only conclusion 1 follows. Okay, so B is the answer to this question. Done. Now let's come to blood relation questions.